These are Spy Dirk frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. First thing you're going to do in removing a lens is pull outward on the top side of the frame while pushing downward on the lens, like so. Again, push or pull outward and push downward. The lenses should pop out fairly easily. Next thing in replacing the lenses or reinstalling them is to take the far side of the lens and place it into the grooves on the far side of the frame, like so. Then all you have to do is push the exposed parts of the lens back into place. There should be a loud pop to indicate that the lens is now secure. Again, far side of the lens into the far side of the frame, like so. Make sure it's secure, give a little tug, and then push the rest into place, like so.